Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Cause when he loves me, I feel like I'm floating. When he calls me chosen,
Hello! Hello, Nea! Hi! By the way, this is my daughter, Nea. She always join me to worship every Sunday. And how was the worship day today, Anna? What did you learn from our head pastor?
cause when he loves me,
Ben, tutulog ka kasi kanina. Anything that you remember from the worship? Like yung worship song natin? Wala lang katulad, ano?
Rat.
Wala lang katulad.
Be.
Ano pa?
Be.
Anything that you remember from the preaching? Huwag ka mag-vlog. Wala kang makontento.
So ngayon nga guys, magtutour tayo. Ayun yung bahay namin, no? Ayun yung bahay.
Saan na nga? Baka lang ako magtatrabaho.
Siyo tayo. So, bilhin nyo na to, mura lang.
why do I love God? Cause when he loves me, I feel like I'm floating. When he calls me chosen, I feel like somebody.